the one-stop solution for you to profit not only 20, but 30, 40, 50, 100, 300, or even $500+ for every single click people make. Guys, we will grab you by the hand and show you how to use every one of those 4 ingredients so you can succeed with this. But Flare is not only for Google AdSense. You can use it for any other way to profit online. Flare is so awesome that you will find so many ways to profit online like never before. Let me show you what Flare is capable of doing for you live in front of your eyes. Secret ingredient number 1, the right topic. Okay guys, look at this. I'm inside the Google Keyword Planner, and I'm showing you a pretty small example of a high-paying keyword. Guys, the secret number 1 ingredient, the right topic, it's a step which requires a proven strategy, and we will show you step-by-step how to find the highest-paying AdSense topics. This is a small example here, guys. I will show you inside the Flare Premium training how to find keywords of up to $1,000 CPC. Yes, it's crazy high. And inside the right topic comes the right keywords attached to it, which is secret ingredient number 2, the right keywords. Do you guys know what CPC is? Guys, CPC is the most important thing to consider in the secret ingredient number 2. CPC stands for what advertisers have historically paid to Google per click in order to run Google ads on their behalf. Yes, that is right. They are willing to pay up to $43 to Google per click for publishing ads related to this keyword alone. In our example, B2B list building. And do you know how much Google is willing to pay you if people click on those ads located inside your website if it has content related to that topic? Up to 68% of that. Yes, guys, crazy high. You can make up to $30 per click with this keyword alone. Crazy, 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 right? Secret ingredient number 3, the right content. Guys, for Google AdSense, you need a place to put those Google ads so people can click on them. And now I have a question for those AdSense experts that might be watching this video right now. Did you guys know there are 3 types of sites that have the best quality AdSense revenue? Those types of websites are a blog site, a forum site, and a free online tool site. And besides having a site to place those Google ads, you also need content on them, of course. We consider the first option the easiest one to handle, a blog site, or in other words, a micro-niche blog site. And for those Google AdSense experts watching this video, yes, we know that trending, premium quality, and unique content is required for running AdSense ads on a blog site for better performance. Well, that is the great news we have for you too. Besides giving you the right topic as well as the right keywords, we made it possible for you to create a beautiful looking blog site in any niche you want with trending, premium quality, and unique content in just seconds without writing a single line of text in under a minute. Well, you actually have to type the keyword, but that's all you will do, I promise. Here, I'm inside Flare, and I'm going to create a blog site, and I will publish a post with trending, premium quality, and unique content without writing a single line of text but a keyword, all of it in under a minute. Ready? Start the clock. Let's create a blog about the secret ingredient number 1, the right topic, in our case, list building. Well, the blog has been created, guys, in just a few seconds, as you can see. Crazy quick. Let's create a category as well. Let's call it B2B. That was quick too, don't you think? Let's continue. Let's go over to the poster section to create a post. Let's type our secret ingredient number 2, the right keyword. In our case, we will use B2B list building, which has the potential to pay us up to $30 per click on Google AdSense. And we will research for a trending, premium quality, and unique content video from YouTube, and we will create a post with it in a snap. Yes, guys, what you have seen is the conversion of this trending and premium quality video into text in just a click. And would you like to know if this content is unique? Well, let's find out. As you can see, this content you have here is 89% unique. How cool is that? You can also customize your post as much as you want. If you would like to add AdSense code, you can do so inside the source code, which, by the way, is recommended to use in article ads here. Let's select our website, publish it, select our category, and click on Create Post. Yeah, that was quick too. If you go to the settings area of the blog, you will be able to see your posts listed and even be able to edit them. You can add a custom domain, your AdSense codes as well, the category, And in themes, you can add your logo and fave icon image, as well as customize your legal pages. Let's take a look at our blog site now. And there you have it, your secret ingredient number 3, the right content. You have a blog site with a post with trending, premium quality, and unique content in under a minute by only typing a keyword, ready for you to place some AdSense ads and profit as much as you want. How cool is that? This is what Flare can do for you, but a whole lot more. And what about that secret ingredient number 4, the right traffic? Guys, here, let me show you our traffic monster. Guys, here you have a list of up to 97 high traffic sites where you can advertise your websites with just a few clicks. Guys, here's where people hang out the most, and you can use this tool as well as much as you want. Guys, you have everything you need here. Flare is the tool we need. Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this demonstration. The sky's the limit. There is so much potential here. I hope you have already thought of so many ways you can take great advantage of Flare. And remember, we will show you how to find those keywords with a CPC as high as $1,000 per click. Crazy, right? Well, get inside the training and you will see. See you there.